So now, ladies and gentlemen, our magician have set up. There had been some weird noise, but it was only with the microphone, don't worry. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Classic Force. 我哋俾啲掌聲，佢哋為我哋魔術表演好唔好啊？
Ladies and gentlemen， 今日想同大家推介一種無比膏。呢隻無比膏搽咗之後，等於好似冇搽咁樣。
Hey, wrong channel.
Sorry, boss.
Welcome to theclassicforce.com. No, I'm just kidding. Today, I'm actually from the Faculty of Magic. Do you know what's the Faculty of Magic? No, right? Yeah. Actually, I'm not the president. I'm not also the salesman. I'm the Superman. I usually go for delivery, buy lunch, dinner, whatever, so on and so on. So yeah, before I start, I want to know how many people understand Cantonese. Please, hands up, Cantonese. Okay, cool. Yeah, actually, I expect you guys to all understand Cantonese because today we're in a Cantonese restaurant. So if I speak Cantonese, so I expect you to understand. Cool? Yes? No? Okay, cool. Never mind. Yeah. Okay. Today, why are you guys here? I'm serving you guys with my best service. What? My best service is to predict the future. 649, Lotto Max. Woohoo! Not excited. Anyways. Yeah. But the best thing is I can help you to get away of your bad luck. I'm very famous at that. Whether you believe or not, doesn't matter. Just believe me.
Whoa, Faculty of Magic 魔法事務所. Is it like you can predict the future, right? It seems cool. Well, 地產大哥大飛機先地產。
Hey, wrong page. This is for the real estate.
Isn't you Peter Pan? No. You looks like it.
No, wrong person. That's Peter Pan.
No. Okay, wait. So what can you help us out here? 魔法事務所可以幫到你。
魔法事務所可以幫大家做乜嘢呢？ What can I help you guys? Well, before I start to do my service, I'll let you guys to know about my background. 我係一個咩人呢？我係一個以前嘅我唔係一個魔術專員 ，I'm not working in this corporation。以前嘅我只不過係一個才華洋溢、風魔萬千少男嘅二世祖。I'm just a rich guy. We just use money just like sneezing with $1,000 of checks. That's my habit. 嗰陣時嘅我乜都有我嘅生意，金山銀礦乜都有。I own my business like all over the world. I'm almost as rich as Bill Gates. 嗰陣時嘅我非常好注意我嘅生意。 還是一樣嘢，我最驚嘅就係油價。During my business, the most I concerned is the gas price. It affects my business. So what I want to do is find someone to help me to predict the future, the gas price. And so at that moment, I find a Faculty of Magic, 魔法事務所。
Baba, the password.
Hey, that's me.
Who are you? I don't know you.
Hey, that's me. 我啊，你唔知我邊個啊？
Wait. Who's that?
嘿，我啊，1個鐘頭可以買10架法拉利嗰個人啊。
Oh, 陳法拉。
Yeah, of course.
Oh, 陳法拉。
Just know who I am. Bad service. Bad guy.
Oh, certainly. If you're a millionaire, we got a better service here. Yeah. Okay, so what can help you today, Mr. Chan?
Well, today I come here is to find someone to help me to predict the future of the gas price.
Okay, no problem. Okay, come here. Mr.
Okay?
Chan. Okay, so you can see here, we got an extra large cup here.
Yeah.
So we drink milk to survive, right? But cars drink gas. So what you conserve of gas? So now here, $1 we can buy that much gas, right?
Well, obviously, I know my dad is a guy.
Okay, so after 3 years, the same amount of money, you can buy that much gas in 3 years' time, since inflation, right?
Well, I just lost a little. I don't care. Okay, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, you are rich guys, so you don't care. But after 5 years, see what happens. Same amount of gas, magically, you'll be
What?
that small cup.
What?
You same amount. That's the prediction.
Hey, I lost half of my money.
You lost half.
I'm not even as rich as Justin Bieber.
That's what happened. Inflation.
Gosh. Okay.
I think you want to see after 10
Help me,
years.
help me.
After 10 years, right? Okay.
Yeah, sure. Tell me.
After 10 years, Mr. Chen, cheers. That much of gas.
What? If I don't have that much of milk and money, I prefer to have none.
Right. So after 10 years, maybe 20 years, you don't even see the gas because it's all gone.
Yeah, you guys saw it, right? I destroyed my future. Before he finished the prediction, I drank all the milk, which represents all the money will gone. Well, even though I lost all my money, it's like before I can buy 10 Ferraris in 1 hour, but now I can only buy a new one per year. Well, it doesn't matter. I'm as rich as Justin Bieber. Anyway, so still I'm still rich. And so I still do something which is crazy. Well, how can I prove I'm crazy? Whenever I go out, I'll always get tickets. I usually have some tickets with me, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 tickets with me. Well, remember, it's not a day with 6 tickets. It's every hour. I got 6 new tickets. Since I lost most of the money, I'm afraid a little bit. So I called some agent to help me to get rid of some of the tickets. And then I called some random guy who was around at the corner of the street and helped me to solve the problem. I called him, and then he said that he will come back here after 5 minutes. But then, gosh, I've been waiting for 5 hours. Waiter.
Okay, what my business? What? Hey,
Yo.
Okay, wait.
Hey, man.
Wait. I'm dealing with my business. Okay.
What? I paid for him.
Okay, what do you need? What do you need?
Okay, I asked you to come here after 5 minutes. What time is it right
Not
now?
my business.
Business. Okay, whatever.
Okay, what can I help you?
I want to get rid of 1 of the tickets,
Okay, 1 ticket.
2 tickets,
Okay, 2 tickets.
and 3 tickets.
Okay, 3 tickets, no problem. Okay, gotta pay me, huh? Okay.
Okay, I'll pay later on. I asked him to finish 3 of them. And then, okay, I think, oh, well, that's okay. Today I finished 3, tomorrow I finished 3, and later on, and so on and so on, I'll finish all of them just in 1 week. However, when I'm on the way home, and I'm on the street, I met a very hot girl, a very sexy lady. And then I tried, to flirt her. Hey, sweetie. You're so hot, you. Can I have a phone number? Of course we can. Oh gosh. He did this. She did this. Okay, never mind.
Hey, I'm a he.
You know what? Maybe you guys don't know who she is, right? Oh, she is. She is actually the cop. And then after she snapped, she gave me 3 tickets. So right now, originally I only had 3 tickets on me. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 tickets with me again. I started scared, shaking. Cause I got trouble with a cop. And then I called another agency. Yo, can you come here, help me for a second? Under 1 minute, he came here.
有什么帮着你啊？有什么问题问我没关系啊。
Mandarin, wow.
Yeah, Mandarin. Yeah.
Help me again. I want you to finish 1 ticket.
One ticket, okay?
1 ticket.
一张来。
2 tickets.
2张。
3 tickets.
3张到票没关系，我帮你搞定了。
Yeah, help me finish it. And now I think I feel free, right? 6 minus 3, I get 3. Tomorrow I get the 3 again. As I left the place, I get on my Ferrari. I just go to a 4-1. Before I do a 4-1, I crash to a police car.
Hey man, you know who I am? I'm the policeman. No policeman? Hey, what happened? My bumper is off, my wheels are off, my eyes are off, my mouth are off, everything.
Oh,
Hey,
sorry. Your clothes are off.
you know what happened?
I'm sorry.
Tickets.